Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the DeepCool MORPHEUS ATX Plus, a modular airflow housing designed to elevate your gaming PC building experience. Let's start with its standout feature, the shape-shifting capability. With just a few included parts, you can seamlessly switch between single and dual-chamber configurations, offering unparalleled flexibility and customization. But what about cooling? The Morpheus doesn't disappoint. It boasts high airflow panels on all sides, supporting a multitude of fan configurations. Whether you prefer 120mm, 140mm, or even 200mm fans, this case has you covered. Plus, it comes equipped with three 140mm ARGB fans to kickstart your cooling setup. And if you're into custom water cooling loops, you'll appreciate its compatibility with multiple 420mm radiators. In terms of compatibility, the Morpheus doesn't hold back. It accommodates ATX motherboards, hefty CPU coolers up to 195mm tall, and GPUs up to a whopping 480mm, compatible with 4090 GPUs. The dual-chamber layout ensures efficient airflow and includes a PCIe riser cable for vertical GPU mounting point. One of the coolest features is the dual status display. Keep an eye on real-time CPU temperature and utilization with the integrated digital screen, adding both functionality and style to your setup. And let's not forget about connectivity. The Morpheus offers ample I/O ports, including 4 USB 3.0, a Type-C, and a hybrid audio port, ensuring easy access to all your devices. But DeepCool doesn't stop there. They've thrown in some fun rubber pixel bits, allowing you to personalize your case with custom messages, logos, or 8-bit characters. Because why not? In conclusion, the DeepCool MORPHEUS ATX Plus checks all the boxes for a premium gaming PC case. With its modular design, top-notch cooling capabilities, extensive compatibility, and thoughtful features like the dual status display and rubber pixel bits, it's sure to inspire creativity and elevate your gaming experience. If you're in the market for the ultimate gaming PC case, the Morpheus ATX Plus might just be your perfect match. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.